Welcome back. We've created the book class and ensured its data is encapsulated. Now we'll build the centerpiece of our system, the library class. This class will be responsible for managing a collection of book objects and providing the main functionalities of the system, such as adding and listing books. We will again use encapsulation to protect the book list. 1. Initializing the book collection. The library class starts with a constructor that takes a name. Crucially, we initialize a protected instance variable _book as an empty list. This list holds all our book objects. Marking it as protected enforces that external users should interact with the collection only through the public methods we define, not by directly manipulating the list. 2. Adding books to the collection. The add_book method is our controlled interface for modifying the _books collection. Here, we can add validation, checking if the provided item is actually an instance of the book class. If validation passes, we safely append it to our protected list. This prevents rogue data from corrupting our system. 3. Listing the collection contents. The list_books method provides a clean, abstract way to view the contents. This method internally iterates over the protected _books list and uses the get_details method we defined in the book class. This is an example of strong cooperation between our encapsulated classes. 4. Method for borrowing. We define a placeholder method, borrow_book. The user only needs to know the interface. Pass the title and the system handles the complexity of searching, checking availability, and updating the book status. The implementation details are hidden, perfectly illustrating abstraction, which we maybe will implement later. To summarize, we now have two robust, encapsulated classes, book and library. Our next lecture 21.04, test. See you there.